A day in my life as a work-from-home employee, breadwinner, a wife, na gusto rin maging content creator. So for today's vlog, kakain kami dito sa Vikings sa SM Jazz Branch Mall. SM Mall Jazz Branch. I don't know. So magla-lunch lang naman kami dito. So tinake namin yung 11:30 AM na hours to 2 PM nila. So yeah, ayun. Yung first vlog natin is buffet agad. So alam niyo na, more on kainan tong vlog na to. As far as I know, ang Vikings guys, ang kinikater nila is more on Western cuisine, European cuisines, may mga Japanese din sila dito, and mga pastas, pizzas, desserts, may mga Philippine dish din, may mga Indian dish din. I don't know if sa ibang branch is kung iba rin yung sineserve nilang mga dishes or cuisines, but dito sa SM Jazz, yung lunch nila is ito mostly. And kakain nga pala kami dito guys kasi mag-celebrate kami ng early birthday ko. So sa SM Jazz guys, para silang birthday promotion, yung 4+1. So if any date of the month kakain ka and meron kang kasamang 4 na paying adult, yung 1 or yung ikaw is libre na or wala kang babayaran. Basta guys, birth month mo. Pero kung kakain ka exactly on your birthday, so free ka, wala kang babayaran as far as I know. Basta guys, search na lang. Medyo ang hirap i-explain sa voice over. So, yun lang. Tapos na.